Just how bad is Claude 4? I have a app which has a catch-up page which lists recent submissions to the archive database of papers. I want to implement dual storage where the local storage is used for unauthenticated users and the database is used for authenticated users to store the page state information. So I asked Claude to do it. It makes a bunch of edits and it tells me that this is the most annoying thing about it is that it always assumes that no matter what it has done, that has solved the problem. This is an indication that there is something fundamentally wrong with its training. So after it makes these changes, well, the page is no longer working. There's a parameter called the recommendation sensitivity that is no longer being saved. And this load button, there's a button over here, refresh papers or load papers, that also stopped working. So rather than fixing the issue, Claude broke what functionality there always already was. So I tell it to fix it. It does some work, and then, well, at least it doesn't assume that everything is going to be okay. It says test the page. Okay. Now what it has done is it has created a console flood. There's a debug message that it just added. It's added some console debugging, and that's causing a console flood. So what does Claude do? And this is absolutely mind blowing. Rather than identifying what is causing that console flood, meaning what is causing an infinite loop in the app, it decides that the problem is not the infinite loop, but the problem is the console logs themselves. Can you understand how ridiculous this is? It is removing the console logs which show the presence of an error rather than fixing the error itself. And so if you're not careful at this point, you will completely miss the fact that there is an infinite loop which has been created by Claude 4's edits. And moreover, it has just removed the only indicator which told you that there was an infinite loop. So then I ask it, you're telling me that removing the messages fixes the issue which causes the console flood? And of course, the answer is that no, it doesn't. It just stops showing the symptoms. This is the problem with Claude 4. It is great for many, many things. It's great for updating text files, but it's issues like this which make me feel that if I was running some kind of a corporation or doing some kind of critical development work, I would never ever want to use Claude 4. So once again, to Anthropic, my request is please bring back Claude 3.5 to Claude Desktop because it's only using Claude 3.5 in Windsurf that I'm able to fix the errors which Claude 4 makes or is not able to fix.